Hey everyone, welcome to the Toothpaste Factory. I'm going to show you exactly how toothpaste is made, or from ingredients to your tube. Hit subscribe for more factory secrets.
Today, dive deep inside a state-of-the-art USA toothpaste factory and uncover the mind-blowing process step by step.
Okay, easy now. Bring the fluoride compounds right here. Watch the clearance on the silo.
Stripping. The vacuum process is essential. It efficiently removes any trapped air bubbles.
This mixture is carefully balanced to ensure maximum effectiveness and a smooth texture.
Abrasives for that deep, clean polish. Perfect viscosity for easy squeezing.
We have a critical temperature spike in reactor 4, rerouting coolant flow now. The ratios are stabilizing.
There we are. All green across the board. The consistency is perfect.
Noted.
Yeah.
I'll log the batch parameters.
It all starts with the liquid base for perfect moisture.
Wrinkle-free on this batch. Perfect alignment, ready for production.
Ever wondered how your daily toothpaste is perfectly made? Now for that fresh mint burst. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Keep coming straight back. Watch your clearance. Okay, set it down.
Bring that pallet all the way to the front. We need to make room for the next one.
Copy that. Almost there.
From factory to your bathroom shelf, it's two ready to shine.
That's how toothpaste keeps America smiling. Genparisu, from start to finish.
Keeping smiles bright every day.